Oh, what happened with your dressing? There is a stain on my shirt. There is a stain on my shirt. My pants have a rip. My pants have a rip. These shoes are giving me blisters. These shoes are giving me blisters. My shoes are too tight. My shoes are too tight. This sweater is too itchy. This sweater is too itchy. My cardigan is unraveling. My cardigan is unraveling. I can't zip up my skirt. I can't zip up my skirt. My necklace chain is tangled. My necklace chain is tangled. My shoes are worn out. My shoes are worn out. My necklace has a rust spot. My necklace has a rust spot. My shoes are scuffed. My shoes are scuffed. My socks have holes in them. My socks have holes in them. This dress is too small. This dress is too small. I lost a button on my jacket. I lost a button on my jacket. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I spilled coffee on my shirt. This shirt is wrinkled. This shirt is wrinkled. My jeans are too loose. My jeans are too loose. My shoes are slippery. My shoes are slippery. My zipper is stuck. My zipper is stuck. My watch battery died. My watch battery died. I can't find my other glove. I can't find my other glove. My hat is too big. My hat is too big. The color of my shirt faded. The color of my shirt faded. My sunglasses are scratched. My sunglasses are scratched. My belt is broken. My belt is broken. I forgot to sew the button back on. I forgot to sew the button back on. My clothes are too old. My clothes are too old. My shirt has a hole in it. My shirt has a hole in it. My sleeves are too long. My sleeves are too long. My jeans are too tight. My jeans are too tight. I forgot to zip up my pants. I forgot to zip up my pants. There is a loose thread on my sweater. There is a loose thread on my sweater. My ring is too loose. My ring is too loose. My jacket was missing a button. My jacket was missing a button. My pants keep falling down. My pants keep falling down. My vest is too tight. My vest is too tight. Thanks for watching.